Hello friends, this is Vijayalaxmi Kulkarni. Today I'm making this video to show you all a beautiful product by Coco Wing. I'll be unboxing it. This box by Coco Wing actually has plant nutrition talking soil tablets. You can see the tablets inside. These are the plant nutrition tablets. You can put one tablet in a pot that will remain for 15 to 20 days, and you can keep adding once in a month or once in 20 days depending upon the health of the plant. Let me show you few plants that I have for which I have used the same product. This is just a croton that I have, and it was about to die. Actually, you can see this dried branch of this, but I put this tablet like before say a week back. This is showing some results, as well as this you can see. You can as well see this money plant. This was very unhealthy actually. You can see the cracks here on the leaves. This was really unhealthy, but it has become healthy after using this talking soil tablets. So you can see this is really a very good product. I would recommend this to every one of you. Please use this, grow more plants, and give back to the society and the environment. Thank you all for watching this video.